Hello, my name is Deja with Host Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to create a domain alias in your control panel. You've logged into your control panel, you'll find domain aliases here, and then you'll go ahead and click Add. I already have one created. For this example, it's going to be tutorials to make it simple, and once you're finished, you'll be able to go ahead and click Save here. And this will bring you to the additional aliases you may have. You can also delete from here too. To make sure your domain alias is pointed to the correct location, you can check on that by clicking Site Details, and then you'll be able to see the name servers here. Generally, this is a replacement or a bypass for your visitors. Instead of putting your numerical IP address, it just brings them strictly to the page, which is why it's so important to make sure that it's pointed to the correct location. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more tutorials, and leave us a comment in the comment section if there's something you would like us to cover in the future. My name is Deja with Host Tech again, and I will see you next week with another video.